500 megawatt.
500 megawatt, yeah.
We're doing 500 megawatts.
So this is Elon and Jensen Huang of Nvidia, the CEO, and they are at the U.S. Saudi Investment Forum, and they're announcing a 500 megawatt AI training data center. Elon's confused, like he doesn't know if it's a gigawatt. He knows he's a time traveler is what I'm guessing. Is he's getting his timelines mixed up, but they're announcing this big partnership with them, and it's actually really interesting. That this is a really good talk. Jensen Huang looks incredibly uncomfortable. He's not amused. I don't know, there's something going on, but like maybe he doesn't have his leather jacket. I don't know, but Elon is having a great time. He's laughing the entire time. It's actually a really good glimpse into the future. Let's watch it.
But we have some great announcements to talk about here today. Let's begin with you, Elon, the things that we're doing with XAI.
Yeah, we're excited to announce that we're doing a 500 megawatt.
500 megawatt.
500 megawatt, yeah.
We're doing 500 megawatts.
Sorry,
Not
there's
quite, yeah.
Yeah. No, the 500 gigawatt one will have to wait. That'll be $8 bazillion trillion.
Stop that.
So yeah, we're doing a XAI, and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia are doing a
Humane, 500 megawatts, starting with 50 megawatts phase one, and we're doing it with Nvidia.
Yeah.
Congratulations to the Humane team, to Targ and team, such a fantastic job.
Okay, so there's some good commentary on this. So Autism Capital says, this is how you know AI is a bubble. Nobody even knows what the hell is going on. Elon is like, we're building 500 megawatts, gigawatts. I don't know, man. Who cares? It's going to cost $8 bazillion trillion. Jensen starts sweating and says, stop that. And then they rush in. It's just made up monopoly money and random announcements. Elon can't even hide his amusement. So if you think about money in the future, this is what Elon said during this. He said, money probably won't matter in 10 years. And then Jensen's like, what the fuck are you talking about? But I mean, it might be true. Who knows? But in the meantime, there is a massive opportunity to build out these data centers. So if you look at Colossus 2 in Memphis, Tennessee, this is an absolute beast. I think it's up to over a gigawatt. And it's just insane how quickly they put this together. It took them, I think it was 122 days to spin up the whole thing. That was the first Colossus. Now they have Colossus 2. They are just building so fast, and they have the top models. They keep on going up in the benchmarks. They'll beat out the current frontier model, and then Gemini just released Gemini 3.0. Now that's the top model, and it just keeps on going back and forth. But Grok and XAI, they were very late to the party. They were a counterweight to OpenAI. So when Elon had a fallout with Sam Altman and OpenAI, he wanted to create a counterweight, because OpenAI was actually a counterweight to Google initially, and then so XAI is a counterweight to OpenAI, and they're actually beating them. They have the most infrastructure, and like I said, this means like a lot of jobs. So here's Grok 4. Grok 4.1 actually just came out, and that's just killing it. I actually used Grok 4.1 to create the outline for this video. It helped out a lot, like get all the data, get all like the formatting and everything. Really, really good model. 4.1 is awesome. 4.0 was a great model too. It started beating out GPT-5 in a lot of the benchmarks, but it's more importantly, in a lot of cases, it is actually cheaper. So the price per token is a lot cheaper. So if you use something like Grok 4 Fast, I think it's like 80% cheaper, which is crazy compared to like some of these bigger models like GPT-5. And they're not even that bigger. They're trained on actually less amount of compute. So if you look at, I like to talk about jobs a lot because that's what I do. I help connect technicians and training organizations, vendors, suppliers, manufacturers to the actual jobs, because that's how we make money. That's how everybody makes money, obviously. So if you look at XAI on their careers page, you can see a lot of stuff in Memphis. So Memphis is like, that's their big data center. That's their Colossus 2, what I was talking about. So if you want to work as an electrical engineer, fiber optic technician, they need a fiber foreman, and they pay pretty well. So I know a lot of jobs are going away, like entry level stuff. If it has to do on a computer, if you're like an accountant, a lawyer, a computer programmer, a consultant. Like, your job is not looking good, unfortunately. And the thing is that it's funny because it's not funny, but these AI companies are the reason why these entry-level jobs, these keyboard video mouse, these KVM jobs are going away. So the people that know how to install the stuff, the fiber technicians, the low voltage technicians, if you know how to run cable, if you're an electrical engineer, you're going to be pretty safe for, I'm guessing, the next 10 years. And then another thing, Optimus Robots. So Tesla, another Elon company, Optimus Robots, and all these other robotics companies, they are targeting labor. That is probably the biggest driver of GDP is human labor. I mean, what else is there? So if you look at like autonomous vehicles, that's a huge market. You know, trucks, Uber drivers, taxis, delivery drivers, those are going to get automated by Tesla. And then XAI and Grok is what is the actual brain. So Grok already is the brain for X. So if you're on the X platform, formerly known as Twitter, that's all powered by Grok. Like all of the recommendation engine, all of like the data manipulation, that's mostly done by XAI. And then XAI and Grok are going to be powering Tesla and the Optimus robot. So it's all connected. Everything Elon does is connected. Even the boring company, the Music City Loop. I got a Music City Loop there here in Nashville. Ton of jobs are being spun up because of that as well. But they're building these tunnels, and that's going to help with boring tunnels on Mars. So everything is like building on top of each other. So you got Starlink, which funds Starship. Starship will get us to Mars, boring the tunnels, and then we're going to deliver all the Optimus robots to, I say we, like, I mean, it's humanity, but they're going to deliver all these Optimus robots to build out Mars, basically. So if you want to be part of the future, there's no, look at all these jobs, tons of stuff around the world too. I see stuff in UK, Dublin, Ireland, anything else in Europe, lots of California, tons of jobs. So apply to one of these, or just like keep your eyes out for anything to do with data centers. And if you want to go to lowvoltagenation.com, we have a jobs board on there. So we have projects, jobs, and companies. If you want to sign up as a company, post jobs, get some exposure, get your company listed on there. If you're a low voltage integration company, access control, security, structured cabling, fiber, all that. Go on lowvoltagenation.com, check it out. If you're a technician, go on there and check it out. They got a bunch of job postings as well. So, and go to our Facebook group. Our Facebook group, it has about 189,000 members. Go check that out as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found some value in looking at all these jobs that XAI and these companies are putting on there. So, all right, let me know in the comments what you think. Peace out.